All right, we'll move to the new chapter, guys. We'll try to cover up as much as we can, but this will not be the complete chapter. We'll complete it later. Yeah, say Harnit.
Ma'am, Friday night, how much time?
Anytime, anytime, anytime.
So,
No,
how many minutes should we, in how many minutes should we do the test?
it's 20 questions, Harnit. So I would recommend you that you finish it by 35 minutes, not more than that. Last class was the first test, so I asked that you can take 2 minutes, but now I'll reduce your 5 minutes from it, and maximum time you should give to give the test should be 35. But I think you will be able to do it in 20 minutes also, because mirror image, water image questions are very simple. You will not need more time in that. Okay, Harnit, thank you. Shivansh, say others start answering the question. Yes, Shivansh.
No, we can do it any day. Yeah, like Monday, Tuesday,
Any day.
Wednesday, Thursday.
Yes, Shivansh, any day, anytime, whenever
Okay.
you're free. Okay, thank you. So this is where we have to arrange the words in the alphabetical order. So we know in the dictionary, the words are arranged in the alphabetical order. All the letters starting with A are arranged first, then comes B, then comes C, and so on. But what will happen when all the first letters are same? Try and understand this. When all the first letters are same, imagine I'm writing all the first letters, okay? So fifth one. I've written all the first letters, they are same. We'll now do what? We'll do a comparison of the second letter. R, praise, priest, R, prank, A, paisa, I, pin. What are they asking you to do? Choose the one that comes first. Of course, we know, ma'am, that A comes before I and I comes before R. So, which will be my first letter? Pasa will be my first word in dictionary. Quickly tell me which will be my second word. My second word will be PI, that is pin. Very nice. Now it's again interesting. Which will be my third word? Pesa pin. I know RRR, that's not a movie. That's the second letter which is same. I'll check for the third letter. A, I, A. Of course, I know, ma'am. A will come before I. I've already got my last letter, but I don't need it now. I need the third letter. So I'll check for the fourth letter. I, N. What comes before? I stands for 9. N stands for 14. So praise will come next. Praise will come next. Prank will come next. And the last word will be priest. So the correct order of writing it in the dictionary is, if you search in a dictionary, paisa will come before pin, pin will come before praise, praise will come before prank, and prank will come before priest. Yes, Shankar. Any doubts? Yeah, Shankar. Sure, Shankar. You can leave 10 minutes early. All the best for your another class. Okay. And see you on Saturday. And just keep the link with you. Okay, Shankar? Copy paste the link and then go. Fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
All right. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So this question is done. All right. Now we'll move to the next one. But this shows how well you read the question. This shows how well you read the question. I never have enough space to write. Two words are already out of the game. Okay, I'm not going to give you any hint. You do it all by yourself. Very good, Vivan, Meera. Very nice, Swarnam, Shiven. Very good, Harned. People read the question right and gave the correct answer. Dhruv, no P, no Krishant. No, that's the first word, Krishant. So here you go, reading the question wrong. They are asking you to find the word which is in the middle, guys, not the word which starts. War is surely my first word, but I don't need war. I mean, I don't need the first word. I need the middle one, and the middle number for 5 numbers is, of course, 3. So I need the third one. Okay, Leela Khan, Shivansh, that's wrong. Amoka, that's wrong. Okay, so for you guys who are giving C as the answer, when I am searching for the middle number, see there are 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one is the middle one? The third one. And if I check the two letters, WA, 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 WR, WR, I understand that WR will surely come after WA. So I have got my fourth or the fifth word already here. So wrinkle and wreast will never be the third word. Why will it never be the third word? Because these two words will come after the third place. So the third word is surely going to be war, wasp, or waste. War is the first word. So war is not my answer. Wrinkle is not my answer. Now we will check for waste and wasp. S and S are common, but P and T are not common. P is the 16th letter and T is the 20th letter. That means wasp is the second letter, waste is the third letter. So I needed the third letter. My answer will be option D, which is waste. Is it clear now, all of you? Yes, Harnit, say.
Ma'am, you did this question last year also.
Of course I did. That will remain same, no, Harnit? All right. Ronak, that's correct. Fine. So we'll move to the next question quickly. Here comes another type of question. Now, this is very interesting type. This is called as rule following or rule completion. What happens here? A rule is already given. The rule is saying that the number of letters which you are skipping between two alphabets, adjacent letters means next to each other, next letters. Okay. So the number of letters which are skipping between the two letters which are next to each other is 1. And if this rule is followed throughout the pattern, that will be my answer. I'll do the first option for you. Between B and D, we are skipping one letter, that follows. Between D and F, I am skipping one letter, that is E, follows. Between F and J, I am not skipping one letter. It's E, F, H, I, or if let me just write it in the order, G, H, I, 3 letters. So since we are skipping 3 letters between F and J, that makes it wrong. So option A is not my correct answer. Now check accordingly and answer if option B works or not, guys. Meera, Harnad have come up with the answer. The rule detection questions, the rules in the rules detection questions will always be mentioned. So don't worry about that. Yes, Shivansh, say.
Ma'am, may I do a camera? My
Hmm.
charge is only 2%.
Okay, okay, sure, sure. Dhruv, Shiven, Kirtana, Swarnim, that's right. Jian, that's not correct. Leelakant, correct. Ronak, correct. Vivan, that's not correct. Let's check option D. Who said option D? O is 15. Okay. So we are skipping one letter, that's P, and then we have a Q. Then Q and R has no letter gap. Q and R do not have one letter skipped. So that makes it wrong. If I check for option C, E and G have one letter between them, that is F. G and I have one letter between them, that is H. But I and J do not have any letters between them. So even C is wrong. So what's my correct answer? L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So we are exactly skipping one letter each between L and P, R, and that makes it my correct answer. Is that clear, everyone? No doubts? Option B. Shall we do one more question so that you can confirm me? Okay. Now read the question carefully for this one. Okay, do it then. Okay, I'm getting answers. Wait. Okay. Some saying B, some saying D, some saying A, some saying C. Very good. A, B, C, D all complete. No discrimination. Every option should get a chance. There's only one correct answer. Let's try with option A. So we are skipping three letters now. So C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Aha. That's the problem. F and K is wrong because after F, if I skip three letters, skipping three is adding four, guys. Okay, note this down. If you skip three letters, that is equal to adding plus one letter. Adding plus one letter. That means if someone asks you to skip one letter, you can already add two to it and check the answer. Like for example, A, C, E. Okay. I am skipping one letter here, but skipping one can also be written as adding two. So if I add two, then 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So you can do it that way also. So this helps me in quicker calculation. I'll check. B is 2, right? So 2 plus skipping 3 means adding 4. So plus 2 should be 6. 6 plus 4 should be 10, but K is 11. So that is not my correct answer. Similarly, I'll move to the second one. L is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. That is P. P is right. This plus 4 is 20. That is T. But T is not written here. So that is gone. Now I'll check for C option. E is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. That is I. That is correct. Plus 4 is 13. That is M. That is correct. M plus 4 is 17. That is Q. And that is absolutely correct. That means EIMQ is my right answer, which is option C. Say, Sanchi.
Teacher, can you share the lines you wrote first?
Yeah, I'll write it all over again. If someone says that skip one letter, then that is equals to adding two letters. Skip one letter means adding two letters. Skip two letters means plus one, adding three letters. Skip three letters, as in this question, means add 4 plus 1. That is a faster method of quickly checking and skimming the options. Just write a done in the chat, Sanchi, when you are done. And others, if you have noted it down, then also you can also let me know. Hila Khan, done. And it's done. Now Sanchi is like this on her keypad typing. So I understood, Sanchi. You can save your some calories of energies by not typing done. Okay, fine. So I only got 3 done. So what does that mean? The others are writing or others are completed? Yes, Viana, say.
Ma'am, in the link, I'm not getting the copy option. I can't copy that link.
No, you can't copy it like that, Fiona. You have to click on the, see at the top, there is a link bar, address bar. And here it must be written Olympiad Success.com/ something something. So you need to click on this and cover the entire thing and then paste it. Okay.
I don't. Ma'am, in the chat box.
In the chat box, if you just, select this part and then scroll it till here and then right click. But Viona, do me a favor. If you are not able to copy, no problem. Just mention this to mama or papa that please ask Olympiad Success to send me the link, and they will be anyhow sending you the link by tomorrow. Okay, Fiona?
Okay.
So don't worry about that. Just in case you don't get it by tomorrow, Viona, ask mama to send a message to Olympiad Success team asking for a test. Which test? Direction test and mirror image test. Okay.
That is the test which is in the link.
Yes, that's the same test. Okay, Viona? Don't worry, they'll send it on WhatsApp. Okay. Harnit, I don't want any solutions. What happened? Okay. There's a new question on the screen, guys. This one is turning left and turning right. A very interesting question. We'll do it by the basic method. We'll do it by the basic method first, and then we'll move to some special. In the next class, I'll teach you a special method. Old students, no interfering. This will be a surprise for the new ones. Let it be. But let's have the basic method. So for doing this question, we will use the concept called backtracking. We'll use the concept called backtracking. What is backtracking? Solving the questions from the right hand side. So read this part. This is my part number 1 of the question. You have to first find out which letter is fourth to the left of I. So this is I, and fourth to the left of I means 1, 2, 3, 4. That is E. Now the second part of the question says 16th to the right of E. So if E is here, we'll count 16 on the right hand side. That will take me to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That brings me to the answer as U. So which letter are we searching for? U. This is the most basic method which we guys apply in doing these questions. But if you guys see this very clearly, that it's a very proper A to Z order, ma'am, without having anything jumbled up here and there, then you can start using your knowledge of alphabet positions. I is 9, and always remember that left denotes minus and right denotes plus. So if I'm searching 4 numbers to the left of I am doing 9 minus 4. How much is 9 minus 4? 5. And which letter comes at 5? Fifth position? E. Now you know it's 5. Now the next thing they're asking you to do is 16 to the right. Right means plus. So I will add 5 plus 16 to get my final answer, which is 21. And 21 stands for U. So you can get your answers using your knowledge of the place values as well. But I'll share a very good incident with you people, okay? Something which happened with me when I was at school. So in my questions, what happened? The examiner very carefully wrote a N here and a M here, a V here and a U here. So imagine in this question paper also, if you would have got a V here, then your answer to this question would have been V. Because if you would count, you would see that the 21st letter would be V instead of U. So therefore, while doing the questions based on the position of alphabets, make sure that your original alphabet series is not jumbled up. Make sure that your alphabet series is not jumbled up. Okay? Can we do another question? Let's try another question. A very interesting one. Kirtana, Meera, Shiven, Leela, Sachi, very nice. Dhruv, very good. Shivansh, Ayush, very good. Yes, Viona, please say.
Ma'am, I want to show you something.
Which is related to?
Ma'am, I want to show you something my mother got.
Okay, but right now we are doing questions, no, Viona? We can do that later. That's a clock. Nice.
She got an
Okay.
alarm clock for me.
Great. All right, Viona. Let's do the question first.
Okay.
Harnit?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have to do the question.
Ma'am, I have the exactly same clock.
Very good. Someone else was saying something? No. Okay. Swarnim, Ronak, Amoka, Vivan, that's right. Ayush, Shivansh, correct. Okay. Jian, no. So I got one wrong answer. So I'll pull up Jian now. Jian, unmute. This is N, Jian. This is H, correct?
Yes,
They are asking me to find out the letter in the middle. So one step will take me to M. One step from H will take me to I. 2 steps from N will take me to L. 2 steps from H will take me to J. Now the third step from N and the third step from H, both will stay at one place, which is K. So my answer will be option D. Okay. Understood?
Yes,
Thank you, Jian. Anyone, any questions here? No? Pretty good to see. All right. Now we'll move to another very, 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 very easy category question. Guys, you have almost completed this. Wow, amazing. Jumbled letters are given to you. You have to find out what will be the meaningful word from these letters. Very nice, Meera. Meera, how was your exam? I forgot to ask. It went well? Very nice, Vivan. Very, very good. 2 correct answers. So, give yourself 20 seconds. Now, listen, everyone. Give yourself 20 seconds with the jumbled letters. No, Shivansh. Give yourself 20 seconds with the jumbled letters. If you think that you cannot find out the answer by just looking at the letters, start working with the options. Start working with the options because the options will hardly take 10 seconds each to arrange the letters. And that means you will surely get an answer in 60 seconds. So within 1 minute, you will surely get the answer if you start jumping into the options. Okay. So that's why do not waste a lot of time on looking at the question without looking at the options. Spend only 20 seconds looking at the letters, and if you can't find out the answer, then please use the options. That's the only technique for doing this question. It went good, Meera. Very nice. Shiven, Harnit, correct answer. Shivansh, your second answer is also not right. Vivan, why are you changing the options? Kirtana, that's correct. Shivansh, that's wrong. What's wrong with you, Shivansh? Okay, let's check the options. I have everything ready with me, okay? So if I check the options, the first option is ragus. Ragus is not a word, okay? Then we have asgru. That's also not a word. But the moment we arrange the third option, we see that sugar is a meaningful word. All right. So that makes it our answer. Hmm. So I have a couple of things with you guys to do now. Listen me carefully. Since we have completed this and we are just left with 2-3 chocolate questions, I would ask you, you have a week's time with you. Do the test mirror image and water image exercise. And along with that, also do the alphabet test exercise. Okay, alphabet test exercise. You do the mirror image, water image exercise and the alphabet test exercise. In the next class, we will be doing number test and alphanumeric test. Okay. But next class is a test discussion. So no, that. If we first we'll do test discussion. All right. Fine. So do the alphabet test exercise also if you have time because you have 5 days in hand and also give the test. Yes. Now any questions, ask me. Say Harnet.
Ma'am, I wanted to tell you something.
Say.
Ma'am, in the Maths Olympiad, I got international rank 2.
Wow, Harnet, that is amazing. Thank you so much for such a nice news. Keep it up, Harnet. Very nice. Thank you. Say Shivansh. I think he can't unmute. Meera?
Ma'am, I want to show you something.
Yeah, be quick, Meera, okay? I can't see your video. It's still black. Wow, that's nice. Very good, Meera. Thank you. Jian?
Ma'am, I also got the international rank 1 IMO, ma'am. In maths, I got international rank 1.
Wow, Jian, congratulations. Happy to hear that. Proud of you. Very nice. Thank you, Jian. Yes, Shivan, she was saying something.
Ma'am, where is the alphabet test link?
Alphabet test link is not there. You have to get it. This is exercise, guys. This is not test. Okay, the name is alphabet test. That is a chapter name. That's not a test. You have to do the exercise under live classes. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you then. Any other questions, anyone? No? Then we can say a bye-bye to each other. And my last question, of course, how was the class? I'll see you all on next Saturday. Till then, please do the exercise of mirror image, water image, alphabet test, and the test as well. Okay, the link I have already shared. I'll ask Olympiad Success to share it with you guys. Yes, Vivan, say.
The class was amazing.
Thank you. And thank you others also in the chat for the wonderful comments. Now it's time for bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Take care, everyone. All the best.
I
Thank
love
you.
your class a lot. Bye.
Thank you so much, Brianna. So sweet of you. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye-bye.